To fix this spikes, we need to take separate wire, because all our wires has a branch ID and name, and our tree has the same branch ID, so we can isolate each wire and each branch and apply capturing separately. Let's do it. Let's create a for each primitive loop. Let's unplug everything from here for now and plug our wires here. So what do we have? Let's probably isolate the trunk. Okay, so we have our trunk. We need to find the corresponding geometry. Let's switch this to input and move our tree here. And let's create a primitive wrangle. Come on. Primitive wrangle. Plug it here. Plug here. So our wire has a branch ID at the primitive level, and our tree has a branch ID at primitive level. So let's use it. Let's import branch ID from our wire. Array 1, our branch ID, and 0. And type if our current branch ID not equal our wire branch ID, just remove all primitives. Oops. 0 and none and 1. And let's see. So we have our trunk and our wire. Now we plug our wire and geometry to wire capture node, and let's create capturing only for this piece of geometry and plug it here. So as you see, this icon shows that it's impossible to compile. So and this process not so fast, and we need to live with this. Let's check if it's working. So let's plug our rest and oops, our deforming, and let's see. Yeah, it's working. I think, let's see, probably we need to increase the range a little bit. Oops, let's like this. Yeah, okay. Anyway, let's see, like this. So it looks like influence works not good. Let's check why. So I think we need to increase capture ranges. 0.9, maybe 1, and here it's for 2, maybe 1.5. Yeah, so it's need to align more. Increase the weight. Yeah, something like this. Okay, let's check all three. Let's enable here. Oops. And let's wait. Okay, so it's take a time because it's really slow process, but it looks like everything is working, except I think here, and it's because the wire range, the capture range, need to adjust per thickness of each branch, I think. Let's check. Yeah, so this point has to influence more than this one. Let's first make a small preview in motion, and then we'll fix this. Alright, let's see how it's moving. Let's move it not so bad. Yeah. So it's capture everything, except we need to fix this problem. Let's jump on the frame here. So what we need to do, we need to change our influence 0.8 to 0.5. Let's visualize it. Yes, let's cover our branch and increase our weight to 0.9 and 1.6. And let's see. So yeah, now it's close to our wire bending. So let's enable all our branches and see. Okay, let's see. So it looks like all geometry attached. And yeah, everything looks correct. Okay, next video we will use our non-simulation with growth, and we'll see how it will work with our growth setup.